Pero ¿qué pasa, niños? Bienvenidos otra vez más a la Lafanacueva, episodio 2, como habéis visto. Vamos a ello, que está en marcha, pues por ello. Pero es que, ¿qué habrá pasado para que siga viva, tío? Snow, madre mía.
What the hell was going on down there, Bigby?
What the fuck?
Abusing a prisoner like that.
I thought you were dead, Snow.
And that makes it okay?
Mira, muchacha, mira.
I hope it was worth your time.
Okay, you're gonna have to explain this, because I'm really not getting it yet.
After a conversation in the taxi last night, I got a call from Toad. He said his son found a body. We thought it was Faith at the time. Getting her back here wasn't easy, but hopefully we'll find something on her to help us track down the killer. Or at least to figure out who she is.
I should have been there, Snow.
I tried calling the business office, but there was no answer. I couldn't find you, or anyone, so I took care of it.
Snow?
What is it?
I'm glad you're not dead.
Me too. I just want to get to the bottom of this. I just feel like
What is it?
I feel responsible in a way. She looked just like me. And maybe that's why she was killed.
Snow, it's not your fault.
But she looked just like me.
Bien, pues.
That can't be a
igual la maquillo
coincidence.
después.
We just have to find out who did this. And why she was glamored to look like me. I mean, that's what it is, right? So, what's our next move?
We just keep doing what we've been doing. We do our jobs.
And I'm supposed to do what? Sit around the business office twiddling my thumbs, waiting for the big bad wolf to solve all my problems? Because that's what my job is right now.
That's not what I meant.
Well, then what did you mean? I told you, I'm tired of sitting around. I'm not going to be an errand girl for Crane anymore.
I just want you to be careful. I almost lost you once.
I'm not yours to lose.
Que yo sabéis a qué me refiero.
I'm sorry. I know it's dangerous, but I'm not helpless. I can take care of myself. I've been doing it for centuries. TJ is waiting inside. He was so freaked out last night, he wouldn't tell us much. Even now, he just stops talking altogether after a certain point. He's pretty shaken up, though, so try not to be too...
Conmocionado.
You know.
I can handle the kid.
Okay.
Sí. Vamos a ser todo buenos y todo amables con el niño. Todo bueno, todo majo. Vale, venga. Aunque esta sala me encanta, me parece que es demasiado oscura. No sé, me da
TJ's
esa
over there.
impresión.
I don't know if you want to talk to him first or after, but let me know when you're ready to see the body. I want to be there.
Primero el cuerpo, ¿qué?
Buffkin, do you have a second?
Of course, Miss Snow.
Qué majo el pumpkin. Mira, más cartas de tarot. Uy. Hermano.
Well, that's appropriate.
Hoy hubo muchas cosas, que tocar aquí.
The moon. Usually this is about deception or confusion. But for me, well, who knows?
Vamos a ver.
I hope you can find what you're looking for.
Bueno.
Pity these can't solve murders.
A ver, vale, o sea, igual
And
simplemente...
acids. Maybe this has been harder on him than I thought.
Bueno, igual simplemente es que es como un presagio, ¿no? De todo lo que va a pasar en el episodio y ya está. Vale, que sí que lo es, pero quiero decir, igual para que veas que quieres decidir, ¿no? Botella de perfume, vamos a mirar.
Snow's perfume.
Bella lona. Vale, sí, muy bien. Vamos a ver qué hay por aquí. Esto ya hemos mirado, creo yo, ¿no? Sí, 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 sí. Sí, sí, sí. Sí, 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 sí.
I will get to the bottom of this.
Vale. Sin más. Aquí ya no hay nada más. Vamos a hablar con Snow.
So, check out anyone who fits that profile. You might start with Bluebeard.
Right away, Miss Snow.
Are you ready to examine the body now?
Sí.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I almost forgot.
Vamos a ver. ¿Qué nos trae Bufkin? Bufkin, iba a decirlo.
Come on.
Pronunciación. ¡Qué calor! Mi hermano. Yo que tengo aquí un ventilador que no sé ni si se estará oyendo. Cámara del pozo encantado. Vamos a ver. Que esto ya lo manejo yo. Pozo encantado, mirar, vamos a mirar. Ok. Esto sí que sale en los cómics, este pozo. Vale, o sea, no te crees que puedes ir por donde quieras. Evidence. Vamos a ver qué vamos a ir por... Adiós, el cuerpo. Clavada, o sea, una misma ropa y de todo.
Wow. I didn't realize... I've never seen her face before now.
You gonna be okay? You don't have to stay.
I want to stay. I'll be fine. It's
Vale,
just
vale.
a little strange.
Strange.
The glamour is so effective, it's invasive. But
Y si no
just
es
do
glamour.
what you need to do.
Estamos aquí todos dando por hecho. Mira ese broche.
That's weird. I don't wear a brooch like that.
Maybe it really belonged to her. Not part of the glamour.
Looks like something from the homelands. Buffkin, do you recognize these symbols?
No, nothing I've seen before.
Vale, vale.
It looks just like Faith's did. Did
Sí, sí,
Dr.
sí.
Swinehart ever get back to you about Faith?
No. He said he wanted to run more tests.
Vale, vale.
She got your perfume right.
How would she know? How do you know what perfume I wear?
You can't fool this nose. Also, I saw the bottle on your desk.
Do you see that?
Could be a bruise.
Vale, ya no deja... No. Ah. Anda. Ay, Dios. Sí, cositas aquí. La mano. Aquí hay algo aquí.
Her fist is clenched.
So she fought back?
No marks on the knuckles.
Oh,
Maybe she was grabbing something?
maybe. What are you doing?
Only way to find out.
Claro, claro. Hay que, claro. O sea, yo sé que no te puede gustar, pero hay que...
Jesus,
estudiarlo.
Bigby. What is it?
¿Esto qué es? Pruebas.
Flowers.
Yeah.
Claro, claro.
Rope marks.
She was tied up?
There were cinder blocks tied to her ankles.
Cinder blocks?
So she would sink.
Oh.
Vale.
Track marks.
She used Mundy drugs?
Looks that way. Pretty heavily, too. I hear they only go for the legs if they've used up the veins in their arms, or if they're trying to hide the marks. Anyway, it means it's not a perfect match to your leg, unless...
Don't be ridiculous.
Maybe she was trying to compensate with that perfume.
Wait. If the glamour is supposed to make her look like me, shouldn't it be concealing things like track marks? That brooch, too. Why would it change everything else? I've never seen one this sloppy.
It's possible it's designed not to.
Designed not to hide track marks?
Good point.
The witches upstairs know what they're doing, that's why they cost so much. Unless someone is making glamours illegally?
It's not technically illegal, miss. It's not encouraged for sure, but there aren't any laws specifically forbidding it.
So there's some sort of black market for glamours?
One would assume so. I imagine anyone with access to the proper books and training could theoretically produce a glamour.
Yet another thing to worry about. Black market or not, it's a pretty good match. Look at that. The buttons aren't exact either. There's an extra one here.
Uy, 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 uy.
You're right. These buttons are wrong.
Que no es un glamour, te lo estoy diciendo yo.
What?
Snow, do you mind if I, open her coat?
Bigby, just let me do it.
You still okay?
Sorry, that took longer than expected. What have you found out?
Her glamour's defective.
Oh, defective.
We're thinking it's black market. We should really be regulating this kind of thing.
Yes.
We should keep going.
No lo sé. Bolsillo.
What is that?
She had the perfume with her. Looks like someone picked it out for her.
So, someone gave her instructions.
¿Hay algo más?
I've seen things like this before. It's definitely magic, though witches don't usually craft objects these days.
I don't think it's wise to fool around with that. It's some kind of black market magic. Who knows what it could do? We should have it looked at. Just to make sure it isn't dangerous. Don't you think?
You may be right. One way to find out.
What?
There's something in here.
How do we open it?
Might want to stand back if you're worried, Crane. I'm gonna try to open it. Something to do with these rings here.
Vale, vale. Ah, vale, 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 vale. Vamos a ver, un caballito, qué bonito, chico. Un ciervo.
A deer. What does that mean? Oh.
Oh, fuck. Madre mía, pelo.
Is that...
It's your hair.
Uy, no le ha molado un pelo. Qué cara ha puesto. Vale, vale. Eso es una foto suya. Voy a ir una foto mía.
Someone must have taken this from my apartment.
La que está al lado de su
noticed
hermana.
it was
Rosa
missing,
roja.
but I didn't think. This was the last picture I had of Rose and me. My sister and I don't talk much anymore. Who did this, Bigby?
She's a troll?
You gotta be kidding me.
Puta madre.
Holy shit.
Well, that helps explain the glamour. Kind of. Who is she?
Puta madre. Me ha encantado.
That wasn't there before. Who do you think she is? I don't know many trolls, I'm
Holly,
afraid.
la del bar.
Should have left them all
tal,
back in the
Holly se-
homelands.
Maybe Holly knows.
The owner of the Trip Trap? No, she looks a little... Oh no.
What is it?
It's not Holly, it's her sister Lily. She
Ah,
was
la
reported
desaparecida.
missing, but I guess it just slipped through the cracks.
We have to go tell Holly.
Right. Who knows, she might know something about this. Who Lily was seeing.
Well, certainly another troll.
Do you want to talk to TJ first?
Sí.
Yeah, I do.
I'd love to join you, but there's some business I need to attend to.
We'll fill you in later.
Good.
Oh, Miss Snow, I have a question.
Excuse me a minute.
Vale, o sea, lo mismo de antes. Para que se dé la misma situación. Ok. Vamos a hablar con el baby. ¡TJR! ¡TJR!
Oh, that's enough. Mirror, vanish, cancel!
What the hell are you doing?
Bigby, you ready to apologize?
What's going on?
For hitting me in front of my boy. Did you fucking forget? I didn't, and neither did he.
Venga, va a disculpar. Soy buen tipo. Soy buen tipo.
TJ. I know you're scared, but we would like to talk about what you found. If that's okay with you. It's up to you, TJ.
It would really help us, TJ.
I want to help.
Stalk thing.
Watch yourself, Bigby. If you do anything to hurt me boy.
It's okay.
Sorry if I scared you.
Go ahead, TJ.
I go swimming at night sometimes, in the river. I wasn't doing anything bad. I promise.
Of course you weren't.
We know you're a good kid, TJ.
You're not in trouble. Just tell me what happened.
Vamos a ser mágicos con el crío, por favor. Sencillo.
I was there, under the big blocks, and I heard noisy feet. And when I hear that, I'm supposed to go underwater and stay real still and quiet.
That's right, son.
Then I saw the lady.
It's okay, son. Careful, Bigby.
I wasn't.
I know.
The lady fell in. But she didn't have her head on.
Pobre crío.
I thought she was gonna pull me down too. Cause she had rocks on her feet and she kept falling down in the dark parts.
He means the cinder blocks. You saw the rope marks. Is there more, TJ?
Is it true? You know when people are lying? I heard you could do that. That's why you're the sheriff.
Yeah, it's my special power. I always know when people aren't telling me the truth. Is there something else you want to say?
Please, don't be mad.
What is it,
Wait.
TJ?
I didn't stay under the water.
What?
I know I'm supposed to, but I was scared, and I went to the top again. I couldn't help.
I gave you very specific rules. You have to stay quiet and out of sight or bad things can happen. I told you.
You're not in trouble.
Like Ellie's not.
Not this time, Toad.
So you didn't stay underwater.
I don't know if anyone saw me, but someone said, "Stop laughing." And then I was scared, and I went under for as long as I could.
Wait, you heard someone?
Yes,
Why didn't you tell us before?
I didn't want to be in trouble.
Did you hear anyone laughing?
No!
Did you see who it was?
No!
Sheriff.
Okay, TJ.
I'm sorry. After I came up again, there was no one there, and I ran home, that's all. I promise. I want to go home.
Okay, you can go.
Thank you, TJ.
Okay, son.
You did a good job, kid.
Come on, then.
That went about as well as I expected.
Everything okay?
We should go.
You can't go out there.
Why not?
It's too dangerous. Someone tried to kill you. Bigby, you can't let her go out there with you. You'd be putting her life at risk.
Bigby is not in charge of me.
He's in charge of this investigation.
If Snow wants to come with me, I'm not gonna stop her.
But
We should leave now. You ready?
Yeah.
No va a dejar que la maten. No va a dejar que la maten de verdad. Bueno, pues niños, hasta aquí el episodio, ¿de acuerdo? Voy a dejar una segunda parte que ha sido un cacho que he tenido que grabar del bar, pero que es que no sé, del bar en el que ya estuvimos, pero es que no se acababan nunca. Entonces, pues eran como 10 minutos más, entonces lo voy a dejar para el siguiente episodio y ya está. Y retomaremos, pondré ese cachito en el siguiente episodio y ya tiraré para adelante. Así que bueno, un besico para todos.